people grow their pepper in plantations like banana plantations because they don't have big places where they can grow things. So they can grow them in plantations, as you can see here, and it will still come back. The banana plantations can easily bring in shadows, but if you take care of these plantations and make sure that you reduce the number of shadows that are cast by these plantations, it will help your garden to still flourish. My name is Katende Kamonde. I am 51 years old. I have 10 children in one woman. I'm a worker in PG District. I've been working there for 22 years as a borehole maintenance technician in PG District. Because the salary is too little, I add on doing things like farming.